How was your traditional pre-plane gin and tonic?
Very good. What up, gin and tonic?
What up, gin and tonic? Planta. Glug, 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 glug.
Yeah, what up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
What up, Internet?
Hi there, camera.
I'm Jess,
I'm Holly.
and this is Bumbling Tourist.
In Dublin,
Yeah,
Ireland.
this is Dublin.
This is Dublin, Ireland.
Check it out.
Check out the street first, though. But that way's a little bit cooler.
Yeah.
Let's explore. Let's adventure.
Yeah. Coffee.
It's the full Irish. And I got a potato. Ha. Penny. Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to Dublin.
What up, Internet?
Go ahead again. There's his butt. His traveling butt. You can plop your butt down without taking your backpack off.
Oh.
How do you like Dublin so far? I know it's not your first time, but...
It's much brighter this time.
Too bad we're not here around beer time. Yeah, it is a little brighter, eh? It's pretty cool, but it leaves me wanting a little more.
This is our house.
Dublin City Wall and Gates, 1240 AD, but I'm pretty sure that plywood may be from maybe more recent? Cool. Let's see what's on the menu. Oh yeah. And this over here is St. Patrick's Park. All you see belongs to him. In case you didn't know, my mom really likes birds. I'm like a bird. I always fly away. Blah 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 bird stuff. Blah 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 bird stuff.
What up, Dublin Castle?
So Did you know that the #1 thing to do while you're in Dublin is sit on a stool and drink some beer?
That's true.
It's true, though.
Here, Elliot, that, yo. What a sour.
What a oatmeal stout.
What up, Guinness?
What up, Guinness? What up, Black IPA?
What up, Eureka Hop Adventure? What up, cute? What? Thank you so much for watching, everybody.
Day 1 in Dublin.
Yeah, success.
And you can join us tomorrow for our next week, I guess, for day 2.
Yeah, tune in next time for more of this, basically.
Or whatever the heck this is.
We're gonna check out Dublin Castle more thoroughly.
And probably drink more beer.
Please like, subscribe.
Tell your loved ones.
Yeah, thanks for watching, Mom.
Also, you should take a look at this giant pink predator thing, because, why not? Say thanks for subscribing, Mick?
Yeah.
Man, this guy's for you, Mick.